In this video, I'm going to continue my review of the Atlas Alco FA-1 in N scale. In part one of my review of these locomotives, I gave you my initial impression after having them for about a week. I've now run the locomotives quite intensively for about a month. My view still holds that I'm really happy with the purchase. It's a very smooth runner, it's quite powerful engines. The only issue I had so far is the original couplers that it came with, the Atlas ones. They weren't so reliable, and they would sometimes, the locomotives would come apart. I have replaced them with some micro chains, universal body mount short shank couplers. I used the 1015-1 product, which was pre-assembled. It was quite easy to change the couplers over. That's the only issue that I've had to date. I've weathered the locomotives using some enamel washers. I weathered them quite lightly. I'm putting a little bit of weathering over the roof vents, and that's what it looks like. Bit more weathering down on the trucks. And I thought I'd show you what the Atlas locomotive livery looks like compared to a Cato F unit. The Cato one is on the left and the Atlas Alco FA-1 is on the right. Both have been weathered slightly, but using a similar technique. The level of detail on the Atlas model is probably equivalent to what typically comes with a Cato model. And for completeness, this is a comparison of the livery on the Atlas FA-1, which is on the left now, and a BLI F7A unit, which is on the right. Again, both have been weathered by me. So let's see the locomotive pull some trains. So in summary, the Alco FA-1 in N scale produced by Atlas is, I think, a great locomotive. It runs really well, the decoder's good, and the livery looks fantastic. Thanks for watching.